Hi, I'm Jeff Moisen with Keller Williams Home Group Realty. The month of July has seen a slowdown in sales activity and an increase in housing inventory. This combination has led to a dip in prices for most of our local real estate markets. Let's take a look at some of the key month-over-month Guelph and Tri-City housing market stats relative to June of this year. For Guelph, the median sales price was $741,000, which is down by 1.2%. The average sale price per square foot was $499, down by 5.5%. The total number of listings was 333, down by 2.6%, and the total number of sales was 146, down by 24.4%. For the Tri-Cities, in Kitchener, the median sale price was $745,000, which is up by 1.2%. In Waterloo, it was $720,000, down by 5.3%, and in Cambridge, it was $715,000, down by 4.7%. The Guelph real estate market experienced a downturn in July, with sales down by 9.3% and median sale prices dropping 6.2% compared to the same time period last year. This decline, driven by a 24.3% increase in new listings and a 69% rise in available homes, has led to longer market times and more options for buyers. Despite the recent sales price drops, the median sales price remains $16,000 higher than it was in July of 2022, signaling a healthier, more balanced market than that period of time when the market experienced its first post-pandemic decline. For buyers, this means more home choices and negotiating power, especially as interest rates slowly decline. However, waiting too long could result in rising prices if demand starts to surge again. Sellers, particularly in the higher price ranges, should focus on competitive pricing and strong presentation to stand out in a more crowded market. While 2023 prices may not return soon, those who bought before 2019 are still very well positioned. Overall, the market presents opportunities for both buyers and sellers, but strategic timing and approach are very important. If you're considering buying, selling, or making a move this year, please give me a call. Now's the time to start the discussions. Thanks a lot for joining me, and have a great day.